Everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Digital Nomad Playbook. I am Coach Gil Golden, and today we are going to talk about the best countries for retirement. International retirement destinations can offer unique benefits like lower costs, better health care, and exciting lifestyles. Today we'll explore the top global havens for retirees in 2025. The key factors to consider when choosing a retirement destination are cost of living, health care, lifestyle, and visa options. Cost of living is important for your retirement income and needs to stretch comfortably in your new home. So, housing, food, and daily expenses can vary dramatically around the world. Quality health care becomes increasingly important as we age. Some countries offer excellent medical care at a fraction of U.S. cost. The cultural attractions, natural beauty, climate, and sense of community in your new home will shape your daily happiness and fulfillment in retirement. Each country has different residency requirements for retirees. Some offer special visa programs specifically designed for pensioners. Carefully evaluating these key factors will help ensure you find the right retirement destination that meets your needs and lifestyle. So here's the criteria we use to select the best retirement destinations for 2025. First, we looked at our final rankings, the top retirement spots based on our comprehensive evaluation. To determine these rankings, we conducted a weighted evaluation prioritizing key factors like affordability, safety, healthcare, and the expat community. The data for this analysis came from reputable sources like International Living, Numbeo, and the World Health Organization's health rankings. By rigorously assessing these important criteria, we were able to identify the most appealing retirement locations for our audience. Portugal is a top retirement destination and it was ranked number one by International Living in 2024. The average monthly rent for a one-bedroom apartment in Lisbon is $900. Portugal has a high-quality, affordable healthcare system with a healthcare index of 82.9. Portugal offers a wonderful mix of historic charm and modern conveniences, making it an attractive option for retirees. The country's Golden Visa and D7 visa programs make it relatively easy for retirees to obtain residency. Mexico offers a variety of popular retirement destinations from the coastal paradise of Puerto Vallarta to the charming colonial town of San Miguel de Allende. Key benefits of retiring in Mexico include its close proximity to the U.S. and Canada, affordable health care, rich cultural experiences, and established expat communities. The temporary visa requires proving a monthly income of around $2,700, making Mexico an accessible option for many retirees. Mexico provides diverse living options from beachfront properties to historic city centers, catering to a range of preferences and lifestyles. Costa Rica is an eco-friendly paradise with 25% of its land protected as national parks and reserves, perfect for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. It has a top-rated healthcare system ranked number one in the world by International Living. The public Caja system costs only $75 to $150 per month. Costa Rica offers a pensionado program for retirees which requires proof of $1,000 in monthly income per month. This program includes discounts on health care, hotels, restaurants, and more. The Pura Vida lifestyle in Costa Rica emphasizes living simply, enjoying nature, and embracing the beauty of the country. Spain is known for its Mediterranean charm with over 300 days of sunshine annually in coastal regions. The country's healthcare system is ranked 7th globally by the World Health Organization, providing excellent medical care. The cost of living in Spain is 30 to 40% lower than in major U.S. cities, making it an affordable destination. Spain's location within Europe provides excellent transportation accessibility, making it easy to travel to and from. Thailand is an incredibly affordable destination, especially when it comes to the cost of living. On a monthly budget of around $1,500 to $2,000, you can live very comfortably here. This covers things like housing, food, and healthcare. For example, you can rent a modern apartment in Bangkok for around $450 a month. Meals are also very affordable, with street food costing just $1 to $3 and a nice restaurant dinner running around $10 to $15. Thailand is also a world-class medical tourism hub, offering high-quality healthcare at very reasonable prices. Overall, Thailand provides an excellent value proposition for those looking to stretch their travel budget further in Asia. Italy offers a diverse range of lifestyle options for expats and retirees. Tuscany provides picturesque countryside settings with rolling hills, vineyards, and Renaissance art, perfect for those seeking a charming art-filled lifestyle. The Amalfi Coast offers stunning Mediterranean views and coastal living experience, ideal for those who appreciate seafood cuisine and seaside charm. Sicily is another affordable island option, providing rich history and authentic Italian culture, a great choice for budget-conscious retirees. Each region has its own unique character and appeal, catering to different preferences and lifestyles. Ecuador offers 50% off transportation, utilities, and entertainment for retirees with ID, and has a spring-like climate year-round in Quito and Cuenca. Malaysia has the MM2H visa program for long-term stays, and English is widely spoken within the modern infrastructure. Greece offers a golden visa through property purchase, allowing for affordable island living. And lastly, Panama has a pensionado program with extensive discounts and uses the dollar, so there is no problems with currency exchanges. Challenges to consider include language barriers, which are a common challenge for expats, as communication in daily life can be difficult in a new country with a different language. Understanding international tax agreements is crucial to avoid complications and ensure compliance when living and working abroad. Being separated from family and loved ones is a significant challenge for many expats, as the distance can take an emotional toll. It's important to have an emergency plan in place when living abroad, including preparing for potential health crises and knowing how to access medical care. So we've discussed several different countries, and now the next question to come is, now what? First, it's important to thoroughly research your target countries. Explore official visa websites, read expat forums, and join Facebook groups to get the latest information and insights from people who have already made the move. Next, I recommend visiting your top choices during different seasons. Renting a place first can be a great way to test out the lifestyle and ensure it's a good fit before committing to a purchase. Finally, make sure to consult with international tax experts, develop healthcare contingency plans, and create a detailed budget based on the local cost of living. Careful planning will be crucial to a successful transition. So there you have it. Get started on your international retirement journey now. Don't postpone joy. If you like this content, please give us a like, follow, and subscribe. And if you're really serious about getting started developing income streams so that you can live anywhere in the world, check out our website, Digital Nomad Collab. This is another episode of the Digital Nomad Playbook. I am Coach Gil Golden. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.